ASUS ScreenPad has some smart new tools to enhance your entertainment with special apps for music and online video. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to play tracks from your laptop's music library and how to use the ScreenPad YouTube player extension for the Chrome web browser. Tap the music icon in the ScreenPad toolbar. The music player app will then open in ScreenPad. By default, the playlist shows tracks found in the folder associated with your music library in Windows. If this library is empty, you'll be prompted to add the folder containing your music. Once you've chosen a folder containing music, you can add the new tracks to the playlist. It supports most popular music file formats. Just like any music player, you change the audio volume, fast forward or rewind the song, or skip to the next track. Tap the sync icon to refresh the music playlist in ScreenPad with new files you've added to your music library. Tracks are listed in alphabetical order. If cover art is included with the track, the image will be shown automatically. The music app is great for multitasking, so you can listen to music while you're working. With direct fingertip control, you don't have to keep switching between Windows apps to keep the music playing. The ScreenPad YouTube player is designed to give you fingertip control of YouTube videos. The ScreenPad YouTube player is an extension that requires the Chrome web browser. Support for other browsers is under evaluation. When you play a YouTube video in the Chrome browser, the ScreenPad YouTube player will appear. On ScreenPad, you have full video controls for the video playing on the laptop screen. If you run the video in full screen mode on the laptop, you can use the ScreenPad YouTube player to scroll to any point in the video timeline. The video thumbnail preview on ScreenPad helps you find the point in the video you're looking for. If you close the ScreenPad YouTube player, you can open it again by tapping the video icon on the ScreenPad toolbar. These two media players are the first of many great entertainment tools for ScreenPad. Keep your ears and eyes tuned for more.